looking out over the site of one of Minnesota's largest ice fishing events, the Maple Lake Ice Fishing Derby. Hi, I'm Greg Thomas, chairman of the 43rd annual Maple Lake Ice Fishing Derby. February 3rd marks this year's date, and we're steadily making a great sheet of ice. Entry tickets are still one of the lowest ever, only $5 per registered person. Bring your whole family. Bring your permanent or portable fish houses and get in line for all kinds of fun on February 3rd. Oh, and did I forget to mention, there's over $40,000 in prizes again this year. Check out our website, maplelakefishingderby.com. See you on the ice.